Get ready for your next adventure with the Tuff Terrain Deluxe 9K Recovery Kit and Air Down Kit, the ultimate companion for off-road enthusiasts. From adjusting tire pressure with the quick Connect Tyre Deflator to handling tough recovery scenarios, this kit has you covered. Safety is priority one. The winch dampener bag minimizes recoil, while our 9K Kinetic rope and 17,000 kDom soft shackle deliver smooth, secure recoveries in challenging conditions. Our alloy winch ring and durable recovery gloves ensure every recovery task is handled safely and efficiently, giving you confidence in tough situations. Keep your essentials organized with our heavy-duty gear bag. Everything you need, right at your fingertips, for any adventure. With the Tuff Terrain Deluxe Recovery Kit, you're prepared for anything. Gear up, head out, and conquer. Click on the Buy Now button to purchase from Australian Outback Equipment